to make a certain program of Y2. At first, move the cursor to drag beginning point. Press move to the position. This. Then move the cursor to next line record. Press menu 1 to move the cursor to array. Press enter. Choose method 2. Select 2 vertical. Press down. Select 2 because 2 column. 2 column. Select 4 because have 4 row. Press down. Horizontal location. Hold the soldering horn to find the horizontal location. Move the soldering horn to the beginning drag soldering point. This is find the horizontal location of begin soldering point. Press enter to confirm the position, and to a vertical location. Press move soldering horn to the beginning drag soldering point of filer vertical location. This is a vertical location. Then confirm the beginning soldering point of filer vertical location. Press enter. To array core, always choose one address. To next address, press down. This address you need to import Y2 drag beginning point. It is 4 2. Press enter. Now we finish the Y2 soldering program. Press ESC. Then move the cursor to vertical core address to array expand. Then press menu 1. Move the cursor to array expand. Press enter to array expand. You can see the interface. Array expand to 0073. Now we can press home to make the soldering horn to the original location. Press stop and menu 1 to choose run mode for double Y. Now you can choose 2 general mode. Now you can test YE and YR together. Yes, see. Now test YE and YR. Press run. Yeah, like this. So we over the soldering program. Press stop.